Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We are picking cards for your career situation first and for your relationship. So these are for your career situation, guys, and three more cards from another deck for your relationship, Scorpios. So these are the cards. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. And Scorpios, today you have a tendency to buy things, maybe shopping. You are going on a shopping, you're buying things for your home or your family, and you may be meeting your family members, friends, something like a social event, get together maybe, and you may also hear some good news from them, or it may be some good news in your career. So let us see what these cards are saying for us, Scorpios. It's Queen of Cups in reverse, the Chariot, and Knight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Scorpios, you have that clear focus on your goals and achievements, whatever you need for yourself, and you have that confidence, authority in your situation, and you have that unwavering mindset. You know what you need to do to achieve those goals, and I also see here that you will be able to reach success today in your career situation. Overcome all that obstacles or troubles in your situation, whatever it is, you are able to see things through, overcome those troubles, and have that happiness, guys. That is what I see. And maybe in your career there are people helping you who may pose as your friend. You have high regards on them, and they may be a good friend, but still you should not trust them, guys, maybe because they may have their own agenda and they may work to benefit themselves, not you. So you have to have that clarity, and if you have that clarity, you can avoid that frustrations or some kind of delays or suspensions you may see in your projects or any financial investments, whatever you are taking up. You have to see things through, try to avoid those people who are making those important decisions for you. So if you have that intuition telling you that they are not to be trusted, you have to go for it, guys. Go for that, listen to that intuition to avoid frustrations today. But I see, Scorpios, that things may be going smoothly. You may see some minor troubles in your work, guys, nothing to be too much worried about. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Scorpios. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship. We will see what are these cards. 10 of Earth, 5 of Air, and 10 of Air. So with these cards, guys, in your relationship, this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this connection. And in this relationship, in this connection, you have that completeness, guys. You have that abundance of love. You have that sense of security, stability in this connection. You feel that with this person you have that confidence, and you know what this person loves about you and what you love about them, guys. And you may also see that you are changing the way you think. You are growing spiritually and emotionally in these connections. And sometimes certain ways of behavior, your behavior or this person's behavior is just changing, and you see a new beginning in the way you connect with this person. Or for some of you, if you are in separation, you may see a graceful ending of your past relationship and a new beginning, guys, with a new person. And you are simply thankful for the change that you are seeing in your relationship, and the way you respond to this person or the way you respond to this love. Your behavioral pattern or your thinking pattern is simply changing, and you are happy for it. That is what I see. So the way things are going, it gives you that happiness, guys. And maybe for some of you there were certain troubles in this connection, some conflicts, some fights would have been there, but you are having that integrity and you're trying to balance, trying to think differently, and you are open to this person having that open-mindedness about what they feel or what they want to tell you. So when you have that open heart conversation with this person, and you want this person to also have that open heart conversation with you, and this may bring that happiness and contentment and that adjustment that you need in this connection, guys. So that is what I see here, guys. So you both want to give each other that freedom to live and let live. So when you have that freedom in this connection, you will be able to express your authentic version, guys. So whatever you truly feel, you can express it. That is what you feel about this person, and this person feels about you. So in this connection, you are working towards that, guys. You are progressing towards accepting the truth, each other's truth. And in the beginning there may be some distancing or some kind of disruptions when you see the truth for the first time, but when you know it is the true self of that person, and when you have that love for that person, you will be able to find that common ground, I feel. That is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.